I know like all my runways are last minute and I love that crunch time. But office tour, and it's cool. Room though. The view. I'm like, bro, I might keep this motherfucker. Like, I'm like 4 or 5 hours. Vlog, man. Been doing a lot. So yesterday I had a vendor event. I didn't vlog. I was sitting there working on pieces like I'm doing now. Right now I'm in Fort Wayne, downtown. It ain't really too much to really show y'all through. I'm gonna show y'all my setup, show y'all a couple pieces I just finished. Come in here and vlog. Setup looking like hey man, look at the view.
Right now we're gonna go off them shit. You hop in the blue and I hop in the black.
You're funny as fuck. Say it again. Don't say it. Well, let me see the flyer though. We in this bitch working, man. My nigga Rich shooting, man. Look at my shit, man. A mad scientist for real, bro. Don't mind that, you feel me? I'm not eating lovely right now. But I'm about to airbrush this shit. Just walking, and I'm thinking, like, I might get 2 offices. But then I'm thinking, I'm like, I probably ain't even vlog that I got. I looked at that second office the other day. It's like a way better deal. But, like, I was just walking, like, literally just seeing this shit. Like, we just walking, bro. I'm like, bro, I might keep this motherfucker, bro. Like, I might just grab me 2 of them giants. But it look crazy in here. Can't say it don't. My collar keep coming down, bro. Really supposed to be at damn, like, feel me on. But spit some kush. Vlog, man. Vlog. Hey, I'm looking. Hold on, let me vlog. I'm like this fucking office. I don't think I've ever gave y'all not vlog. I'm pretty sure I have. Like, and if I haven't, it's gonna be like I'm gonna be able to look back and film and see. But office tour. It's cool little. It's getting empty now, but used to be fat in this motherfucker. Some smooth shit. You be deleting. So vlog, I do want to have a conversation with y'all because yesterday I believe when I tried to have a conversation, I didn't really get to fully have the conversation out because my nigga Don was here. But basically the conversation is, shit's been going fast. Like, I haven't been picking up my own vlog to like show you guys where I've been, what I've been doing, updating y'all on it, but I'ma always update when I think about it, you feel me? Cause it's like my diary for real. Like, my vlog is my diary. So it's like, I'ma always come back to this and just, you feel me? Just update. Yeah, so update. I got another runway coming. Like, bruh, shout out Jay if you watching this, bruh. Shout out Jay. You real solid, bruh. So Jay put me through this connection, you feel me, for the show. It's the last minute show. Y'all know, like, all my runways are last minute, and I love that crunch time. I'm about to get everything today. I just finalized the last meeting today, so I gotta check that text message for all the details. And then my first rehearsal, I'm gonna be able to choose my own models. I'm already go with like a lineup, and then I'm gonna switch. You feel me? Like not even switch. I'm gonna add to it. I'm gonna create after I see them. So it's like, it's gonna be a lot building up to it in these final, you feel me, couple weeks, because it's on the 29th right now. I'm pretty sure it's like the shit. Let's see. I already gonna say how bad I'm gonna be off, and it's like crazy because like just like New York Fashion Week, I have another vacation. Cool little business. It's not even a vacation. This is a business trip. Like I don't even be doing things for my birthday, but my birthday is December 21st, and I'm gonna be in New York for like some business shit. So, like I don't know if I'm gonna update you on that for real, cause it's not really fully my business, but it's like definitely my business. You feel me? So it's like we gotta go handle some business out there. Hopefully everything's good, and I'm gonna just be in a different environment for my birthday, so that's like enough. You feel me? There's a plus to going out there, because I normally don't do things on my birthday. I don't know why. I just don't do too much. Like, just, you know, I don't know. If you know, you know. A lot of shit been going on, but I've not picked this camera up in a minute. I've been running back and forth from Atlanta, making the connections I need. Like, in like a span of like 4 days, like I got 4 like different runway opportunities just by being out there. So it's quick update. Going downstairs to drop off this order that I just wrapped up. My man's kinda really having to start on the runway stuff, but you know, I live for the clutch. Piece really crazy. It's crunch time though. Got the piece off, secured the bag, so you know, it's all green. About to drop off this second order and then get some food because I have not ate nothing. It's like 12 o'clock. I got one earring in for what I fucking fell asleep. Look at that. Vlog, man. I had a 0.5 for y'all, man. Runway day. Bruh, I hope I kept y'all updated with this runway. I probably didn't as much as I could, you feel me? Because I've been running around doing so much, doing everything. Right now, I'm downtown Kentucky, I believe. Let me show y'all the scenery. Show y'all what it's heading on. Something cool. I'm gonna show y'all the room and like the event in a second, because I'm walking up there right now. Had to come back to my whip to get some water and some other sewing materials, you know. How y'all doing though, vlog? Let me know something. How y'all living today, man? My day been real active. Week, life been just active in general. When you say today, because every day like this, bro. I was just telling myself like on the ride here, because it's 2 hours, bro. After this show, bro, I'm chilling, bro. I have to, bro. So much going on, and I've been keeping up with it, but like it's fast paced, and it's like once you going fast paced, like fast, you know, I can keep up. I ain't gonna say I can't keep up or anything, but while keeping up, you gotta take that break, bro. That's what the lobby looking like. Slide. You gotta chill out sometimes, bro. You gotta goddamn look at me. You know you're doing something right when your arm hurting from vlogging, bro. Putting in that work, bro. That's what it's looking like, though. You crazy. They elevated in there. I ain't gonna say it shit no more. I'm on the lowest key. It's dinner time. Drink y'all some water if y'all haven't, man. Go ahead, take your little sip. I need peeped up mirror right here, though. That's tough. A little cool little fit. I think the runway fit. I'll definitely change and shit. I'm gonna just show y'all my room, what I got, what I'm working on. It's like another lobby area. The views all through here are tough. This view to just start. Like, nice building. You're not getting this in Indianapolis. Like, this is why I travel. It's like you can't see this nowhere else. I hope they ain't call this meeting though, because I definitely just left and they stayed. But you know, this is my room though. The view. But yeah, I'm about to lock in on these pieces, get some shit ironed. Probably like 4 or 5 hours till the doors open, so I'm great on time, which I'm loving. My nigga Sauce in this bitch recording vlog. You ain't seen this nigga yet though. Shut your shut, gang.
Man, you already know what's going on, man. Southboy K, bro. We making tracks for my nigga Hakeem from St. Louis, bro. Feel me? We just at the fast show, just feel me? No, this lifestyle. So
lifestyle.
man.
God.
I'm not a rapper, by the way.